Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Tuesday, December the 29th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. The link to the free room, it is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And I share my screen, I'm live on the mic, and in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. You'll also see a link to my homepage, and on my homepage there is a link to sign up for the Trade of the Week, all the scans that I share, educational and training videos, and all the webinars. So, kind of a very, very quiet day for me. One of the reasons was, I just want to show you this one trade from the AI though, but one of the reasons was that, the SPY was very choppy. Of course, we're waiting for this for the stimulus bill to be presented to the Senate in the United States, and whether or not it's going to get passed with the $2,000 or the $600 or whatever is going to happen. So the SPY has been kind of choppy. So, for me anyway, for the ones that I was looking at today, very, very few strong trends. There were very, very few strong trends. But I do want to bring your attention to this, and I know I sound like I nag people on this one, but I really believe that if you have the AI, you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't have the reentry price and the reentry time columns. So again, just to cover this again. So there was the alert, IMMR. The alert happened at 10:48. The price was 11.43, and there was the stop at 12.20. So you can see right there, there's that blue candle. There was the alert, 11.43, and right there in that candle. And it almost immediately, it was within 10:48, within 2 minutes, probably it was under 2 minutes that it got stopped out. It hit that 11.20, all right? Now, you'll notice that there is a reentry price, and this is automatically calculated when you get the alert. Nothing fancy. It's just halfway between the entry price and the stop. So you'll see between 11.43 and 11.20 is 11.32. So what happens is, if a stock hits the stop, it doesn't have to necessarily be the reason it got out of the trade, but at any time during the day, it hits the stop and then it comes back to that re-entry price, you'll get a real-time alert on it, okay? And that's why in this particular case, in these two cases, that hasn't happened. So it's very easy to see which ones it happened. And at 10:58, only 8 minutes after it got stopped out, we had a second chance to get into IMMR at 11:32, and look what it did afterwards. And I'm not saying this was easy because, lots of topping tails still on a 15-minute chart, but, from 11.32, it did get up to 13.11. We're talking almost $2 before it started to come down. So again, I just want to re-emphasize the fact that if you have the AI, here's a one that just came in. If you have the AI, please add these two columns, and they're easy to find. All you have to do is right-click on a column header and click on columns. And the reentries, this is all in alphabetical order, so you just have to go and find it, okay? And add the columns, because sometimes, I know people that just wait for these to happen, and that's when they take trades. And, so look at it this way. The AI was a little bit early on calling this one. That's how you have to look at it. A little bit early on calling this one, and then gave you a second opportunity, if you did take it the first time, a second opportunity to get into the trade. So again, I know I'm a bit of a nag on this, but please add these two columns, and I think you'll be able to use the AI a lot better. Even if you just waited for this to happen, may not get too many a day. Not that often does a stock hit the stop and then come back to that price. But even if you just waited for that to happen, and never mind the original ones, I know people that's all they do, and they say they do pretty well at that. So. That's all I really want to talk about today when I get back into the room. So again, if you have any questions for me, bring back the capture program. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.